In SolidWorks, you can define a hinge mate, which allows one rotational degree of freedom. If you are familiar with mechanism connections in Creo Parametric, this is similar to a pin connection. Here I am in an assembly with two components. We have a connecting rod subassembly, which is fixed, and we also have a piston part. There are currently no mates in this assembly. I want to allow the piston to rotate around this surface in the connecting rod. Let's click on the Mate command. The Property Manager opens. I will click on the Mechanical tab. Here is the Hinge Mate. I will click on it. The first thing that we are going to select are the surfaces that we want to make concentric. I will select this surface, and then this surface. And then for our surfaces that we want to be coincident, I will go to my visibility controls and turn on the display of my planes. You can use flat planar surfaces, or you could use planes. Let's pick the front plane from the piston and also the front plane from the connecting rod, and we can see how the parts then line up in our window. There is an option here to specify angle limits. I might want to do that in theory because the piston cannot rotate through 360 degrees. But I recommend against that if you don't absolutely need to do that. When you specify angle limits, that could result in the assembly becoming over-constrained, and you can get error messages upon rebuild. And also, this connecting rod assembly with the piston, this is going to be placed in an engine block, and the engine block is going to constrain the amount of rotation. So I don't really have to do it here, so I'm not going to. So after I collapse that, we can scroll down, and there are a few other options in here, like adding this mate to a new folder. We have our option to show pop-up dialogues, showing a preview, and to use this mate for positioning only. But I'm happy with this. Let's hit the green check mark, and then I can cancel out of creating any further mates. Let me go back to the visibility controls and turn off the display of planes. And in this way, I have created a hinge mate in my assembly in SolidWorks.